Hi everyone, this is Kirk Roldan from Majimbu Fitness Digital Agency, and in this video I'm going to pick a random website found on Google and I'm going to audit them live. Alright, and I will also show what could be the problems, why they are invisible online, what needs to improve. And PS, I'm very sorry for this site that I can audit, and yeah, I'm just sharing what I can do to improve this. Okay, so now, since I'm into fitness, I'm going to try gym, to audit a gym website, but the location is, let's try for now, Florida. Okay, so I will type gym in Florida. So basically, I will not choose the sites that are here because they have a good traffic, I believe, but soon I'll do that. But for this demonstration, let's go to the last part of the search. Okay, let me open this website right here. Let's try a random website. Want more leads from Google? Go to kirkroldanseo.com. I'll find what's holding you back and develop a custom strategy for free. Alright, so I guess that's enough, and let me decide what website I'm going to audit here. Okay, since they are not available, they're a good site to audit. Alright, I like this one, no? So Miami Iron Gym. Okay, perfect. So yeah, the very first thing that I'm going to do here is that check this website if they are indexed on Google. Okay, so again, we found them earlier, but I believe they are on index. But to show you guys how I do it, I just type site and then that one, then they will show all the pages, blog that are indexed here, no? So if they allow all the pages to index, everything will be here, including the admin, the password section, or the archives, everything will show. So these are all the pages that are indexed on Google, so meaning they are indexed and searchable in Google. Next, I'm going to check for duplicate version of the website. So we need to make sure that only one version should be accessible. So there are HTTPS, HTTP, www, non-www. You need to make sure all this should redirect to it. Okay, you should see the HTTPS version like this one. So for example, if I'm going to add this one, they will be redirect to HTTPS, and no other version should be added there, right? So this works, no? And there's no problem there when it comes to the duplicate version. And next, I'm going to check for the mobile friendliness of this website. Okay, so yeah, this is very simple, no? You don't need any tool to do this. I just need to hover this one to make it small, like this one. This is for the phone, right? So if they follow, meaning they are optimized for mobile, no? So the logo, the text right here, and the URL, no, the email, the contact us. However, for me, out of 100, they are not 100%. Now, why? Because as you can see here, like the text is really big here. However, the CTA is small and another text is big, right? So it needs to optimize properly. And yeah, this section right here needs to add each of the menus here, because I believe they only have 5 menus. They can add the first 3 or the important menus here, so it will be visible, right? And then I can also stretch this one. This is for the iPad, this is for the desktop, so it fits, but it's not 100% mobile friendly. Okay, so yeah, that's what I do, and I found a lot of things that they can improve for their website as well. Okay, so but don't worry, we'll dive in more deeper. So next, what I can do here is to check the page speed. So I just need to right click and then inspect elements, and this dot right here, click lighthouse. Now you can check for mobile and desktop. Now let's try mobile first, and let's proceed to the desktop. Now I don't want to wait, so we need to move forward, no? So let's go here checking the website using a paid tool. Since they are done, completed, so let's continue here. So the performance is 50, the accessible, best practices SEO is 50 only, so it needs to be improved. Okay, it needs to be improved, and this is for mobile, right? But we need to do it again and check for the desktop. All right, so as you can see here, still it needs an improvement for the performance SEO. And yeah, I also see here, guys, that the largest contentful paint is red 3.5, meaning it's slow. Okay, so a good LCP, they are only 2.5 or less, no? And an LCP with 2.6, it's slow and your website needs improvement. You can also use a tool called PageSpeedWeb.dv to check the largest contentful paint or the site speed, but right now I use Lighthouse. Let's go here in the website audit. Stop guessing SEO. Join the SEO Mastery Circle and get step-by-step strategies that gets results fast, just like I do for top websites. As you can see here, I use Ahrefs to audit the website. So I can see what they are doing in the back end, like the backlinks, the technical SEO problem, the content, the link building, and everything here. The next step, I'm going to use a tool to check the visibility and what we can't see by just going to the website, right? So I use Ahrefs now. If you have a paid tool, it's better because the free one is only limited. And all right, they have a traffic, but it's limited, right? Like as you can see here, they have traffic of 244, keywords of 125, DR of 16. And honestly, this could be improved, no? If they are going to follow what I said earlier and also what I'm going to say next. And I also run this and add it in my SEO audit or site audit. So what you can do here, guys, is to click site audit if you're auditing a website, and then add their website, and then you need to wait for a couple of minutes before this information to show up. Okay, so I like this one because I can see a lot of issues in the website. So like for example, this one, they have an internal pages, but as you can see here, they have 7 404 pages, meaning they are not there. Okay, they are not showing anymore. As you can see here, like this website, okay, they are in sitemap. However, this is 404 anymore, right? So they need to improve this. Very important that they are going to fix it. And all these pages should fix as well. By using this tool, you can also see what are the no follow pages, what are those do follow pages. No, the red ones are the most important thing to fix, and the second will be the yellow one, and also the blue one. Okay, so yeah, you can see a lot of problem here that you need to fix, no? But you need to follow the internal pages, and then this one, indexability, the links, redirect, content, social, sitemaps. So let's proceed here. I'm also going to check the traffic. What are those pages that has a good traffic? So as you can see here, they have 11 pages only, and the home page has a good traffic compared to the other pages, but it needs to improve as well. And the referring domain of 91, and then they have keywords. This keyword right here, Miami Iron Gym, is volume 90. All right, what I can do here is to open the organic traffic, the keywords, and see what are those top pages that they have, no, and consume a lot of traffic. So upon seeing here, this is the home page with 220 traffic, referring domains of 91, and they have top keywords. So Miami Iron Gym, this is their top keyword, which is number 1 position with 900 volume, which is good. But right now we only see a limited keywords, like they only have 126, and a lot of these keywords are not ranking number 1, right? So as you can see here, they have about a lot of keywords that are not ranking number 1 yet, and they only have 1 keyword which is ranking number 1, Miami Iron Gym, and their volume, they only have 1 keyword with 1000 and above. So this could be improved, guys. Okay, so it's also good because they already have keywords that are ranking, but it could be improved because they have a lot of good keywords here, but the problem is that they are not ranking yet or well at the top, no? Like this one, MMA gyms, Miami gym in Miami Beach, no, gym Miami Beach, Miami gym, Iron Gym, this one. So they are not ranking well with that keyword, Miami gyms, best gyms in Miami. So since they are already ranking, guys, no, this could be improved much faster if they are going to follow what I'm going to say next. I'm going to go to the backlinks. So backlinks, these are the sites that are pointing to their website, no? All right, so next I'm going to check their backlinks as well. Now upon seeing here, they have 105 group of links, and I see links coming from Expat Assurance. They have also a good link, which is this one. I like this because they have a traffic of 34,000. That's why they are the best link. I also see some spam links right here, which are not good, no? And I also see some non-related link. No, they have a link coming from Professional Muscle with good traffic. Miami Iron Gym competition. Oh, this is good. And they also have niche related gym links, no, but we have a lot of links as well that are not good, so we need to get rid of this spam because they are not good. Okay, so what we can do here is to focus on getting links to guest posting, niche edits, local guest posts, and press releases, focusing to local backlink as well. Those are my recommendation, or industry related links coming from gym websites, no, foundation links, structure citations if they do GMB. And basically you also need to check your competitors, see what they are doing, and we can also get information where they are linking to, and we can also link to those websites. Next, I'm also going to check their website because as you can see, I didn't check it earlier. So let's go back to their website, Miami Iron Gym here. Upon seeing here, I don't see a lot of things that are going on in the website. Okay, since they are focused in Florida, Miami, I recommend in their homepage, they need to optimize this properly. Okay, like for example, this one, in their title, they just added Miami Iron Gym. Upon seeing here, I don't think there is someone doing the SEO or they're missing around because yeah, they are not optimizing the title, description, the alt text, no, the heading. There's no heading one. And as you can see here, it's just a contact us page, right? My recommendation is to optimize this properly. Like they need to add a clickable phone number. Here, they are not clickable. And I also suggest they need to add it in the menu here. And also this one should be clickable, or if they have WhatsApp, they can link it here. This is old school type. They need to contact us. But if they redirect this to a WhatsApp number, then it's better. And okay, they have YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And I also recommend they need to add a social proof of credibility. They need to add a lead generation form like this one, no, properly, and subheading. So no subheading here. They need to have a company team images and about us videos. I don't see any featured services here or services or products that they are selling. I don't see a lot of internal links here, but only get direction, email, and nothing else. Okay, so I also recommend that they need to add FAQ. They can also add a NAP in the footer and add business hours in the footer, add newsletter, and also it's good because they have social media profile, but it needs to improve. Okay, and those are the things that I found in the homepage. And another thing that I found is they don't have any blog post or blog section. So about trainers, membership, contact, and they didn't have a blog, no, or for the content. So for the content, they can create a content that actually answers users' questions. They should cover topics truly and accurately, and are they original rather than duplicated, no? They also demonstrate the subject matter and also expertise and authority, and they should be well structured, has updated information there. So that's my advice if they want to create content and optimize the services, but they don't have a services pages here. The about us, let's check this too. Oh, all right, they have trainers and connected to Instagram, which is okay. They can also add their team pictures aside from the trainers. They can link to, they have a map here. They can also add a review section, no? So it's very important that they need to have that. Okay, and yeah, internal links. So this is very important. So because internal links can send authority from linking to a page to a different page of the same website. You can also use keyword rich anchor text, link to the important pages, and you don't need to use the same anchor text for two different pages, no? So that's my recommendation if they do the internal linking for blogs and for their pages. And for their anchor text, better to use a different type of anchor text, like the brand, the exact match, the partial match, the related keywords, and also generic keywords is a little bit, right? And yeah, their website is really old to be exact, right? But it needs to improve because right now, to rank in Google, you need to optimize for your signal. So in other words, your content needs to make sure that users are happy. And you need to ask yourself, right? Do your page have a good core web vitals? Are your pages secure? Does your page optimize properly in mobile? Do you have a page which is really good, high quality, no grammar issue? And that's my finding for this video. And if you are interested for us to audit your website in any niche, it's either in fitness, gym, or other niches. That's it for now. And this is Kirk Roldan from Majimbu.com. Majimbu is a fitness marketing agency. So if you want us to audit your gym or fitness related niche or website, go here to Majimbu.com and then click this get started and fill up this form, and let's schedule a call so I can discuss an audit of your website and how we can fix that for free. Talk to you soon. Take care.